Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet these little leaves. Here, as you can see, these leaves are done using very basic stitches of crocheting that are slip stitch followed by single crochet, half double crochet and double crochets, and I need to follow the same sequence on the other part. Then you have to repeat it as you go to the opposite side of the leaf. For this leaf, initially I'll be working 10 chains. The tip portion will be a slip stitch followed by single crochet stitches, half double crochet stitches. In the center, since this part is a bit elongated, so I need to work double crochet stitches. Again the same sequence repeats on the other side, half double crochet, single crochet and slip stitches. Once I am done with this part, I shall chain one and again slip stitch into the same stitch and work the same sequence on the other part too. So I'll explain to you how it is done. First I am putting a slip knot. I forgot to tell you what all materials I need. Initially you need a 3.5 mm hook followed by a green colored yarn and a pair of scissors. So let's begin. I'm going to chain 10. I've chained 10. I'll skip the first stitch from the hook and work a slip stitch into the next stitch. Into the next stitch, I am going to work one single crochet stitch followed by one half double crochet stitch into the next. One double crochet stitch into the next stitch. Now come to the center part of the leaf. Here I'll be working two half double crochet stitches. One and two. Once I'm done with this, I'll follow the sequence in the reverse way. That is, I'll be making a double crochet, then a half double crochet and a single crochet. So into the next stitch, I'm going to make a double crochet stitch, a half double crochet into the next, and a single crochet into the next. I'm left with the last stitch. Over here, I'll be working one slip stitch, chain one, again one slip stitch into the same stitch. Now I will be working on the opposite side. It will be a repeat of the sequence that I have done on this side. So it will be one single crochet. As I am working, I will put this tail under my crochet work so that it gets hidden well. One half double crochet, again one double crochet. Now in the center part, I am going to work two double crochet into the same stitch. One double crochet into the next. I cut this yarn. One half double crochet into the next, followed by one single crochet. And into my last chain, I am going to work a slip stitch. So my leaf part is done. And I cut my yarn. So in this way, a cute little leaf is done. So I hope this tutorial was useful for you. Moreover, you can attach the sleeves with your flowers and make them more attractive when you sew those flowers to your crochet work. So that's all for today's tutorial. If you have any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.